This is the Entropy Change Interactive Calculator, which solves for entropy changes across 6 different thermodynamic processes. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu. You can choose Isothermal Process for ideal gases, Isobaric Process at constant pressure, Isochoric Process at constant volume, Reversible Adiabatic Process, heat transfer at constant temperature, or entropy of mixing for ideal gases. For this demonstration, I'm using Isothermal Process. For isothermal calculations, you'll enter number of moles N, gas constant R, initial volume V1, and final volume V2. And now, let's take a look at our worked example. I'll input number of moles equals 1, gas constant equals 8.314 joules per mole, Kelvin, initial volume equals 1 cubic meter, and final volume equals 2 cubic meters. Click Calculate. The results show entropy change ds equals 5.7628 joules per Kelvin. The process type confirms this is isothermal expansion Chach compression. The additional parameter shows our volume ratio is 2000, confirming the volume doubled. The thermodynamic status indicates spontaneous since ds is greater than 0, meaning this expansion increases the system's entropy as expected. This calculator streamlines entropy calculations for common thermodynamic processes. Find the link in the description below.